Officials report that torrential rains in the Brazilian state of São Paulo have caused floods and landslides that have resulted in the deaths of at least 21 people. 9 more have been hurt, numerous others are missing, and over 600 families are now homeless. After conducting an aerial survey of the flooded areas, Governor Doria of São Paulo has authorized the release of emergency funds. More than 40 people have died in the states of Bahia and Minas Gerais due to heavy rains since the beginning of the wet season. Franco da Rocha is one of the worst hit areas in the state of São Paulo. There, a landslide claimed the lives of 4 people and saved 6 others. Firefighters and medical personnel searched the mud all night for victims, but authorities in the area believe that up to 14 people are still missing. The office of the mayor in Franco da Rocha advised residents of flood-prone areas to seek shelter with friends and family.